Sniper, no sniping.
Oh! Wow, that'll do it, isn't it? Right, DK? That'll do it?
That'll do it.
Hello, everybody. My name is Quakin, and today we're going to be doing a battle between... Oh, I missed. Tempest Dragon, Charged Metal 1A, so the stock, and
Shut the fuck up,
Daimyo Samuraizor stock, which is Extreme Ultra if you're new. Yeah.
It gets slandered.
Wait, hang on.
Every video now,
I'm gonna give Tempest the assist here. Give me a sec. I'm gonna help Tempest so much. No, not Charged Dash. It's not as heavy as Charged Metal, so no, it's useless to me. Also, I love how Charge is the only driver to get a Dash variant and a Metal variant.
Are you sure about that?
Pretty sure, right? Unless there's a Yard Dash.
I don't know.
Anyways.
We've only got like 2.
Metal Chip Core! Ooh! That's gonna improve the weight of it so much, right, guys?
Start the battle.
First one to 15. Oh! Wow! 1-0.
Wow.
Tempest!
Oh god.
Samuraizor!
Shoot!
Oh!
Oh.
Dude, I like came back in for a second one and bursted it while I was in there. I'm gonna count it as 1 because it happened in the pocket, but I feel like it was a direct result of Daimyo being in there. 2-0. Ah! 3-0.
Serious power being thrown around.
Yeah, I got all sorts of power. Hey! Oh my god!
Oh! Wow!
Is that 5-0 or 4-0?
5-0. 4-0.
5-0!
No, 5-0. Yeah, you're right.
Oh no! Now it's 5-1! And Daimyo just got sunned!
Oh my god. Why?
Oh! Oh! 5-2. Oh wait! It bursted! It bursted! Dude! I was like, wait, why is Dragon making a rattling noise?
7-1.
7-1. Does Samuraizor have the 7-1 to make Dragon his son?
To kill it!
Hey!
Rock the dragon! Rock the dragon!
Hey, oh no! Draw! Dragon! Rock the dragon! Tempest Dragon sucks! Yeah! Oh! Oh my god! You see how I lifted it up? This bitch heavier! How? That's 8-1.
Wow, that's right.
Wow! Hey! Oh, no, what? No! I've been had.
How?
8-2.
Had.
Ah! Oh! Oh, so close to bursting. 8-3. Insta.
What?
You got shrink balls.
Wow.
Oh, that was a bad launch. I bursted it again!
Wow.
With a terrible launch, I just, like, on my last rotation, it just...
10-3?
When he was battling Zach.
10-3? Oh,
10-3.
yeah, like that.
Yeah.
Ha! Uh-oh. I don't have the mobile... I don't have the mobility to catch up with him and finish him off. This is bad. 10-4!
10-4.
Ah! Oh, what? It survived? 10 to 5.
Wow.
It's
on,
strong. Ah! You are nothing compared to the Daimyo!
Jesus Christ, how horrifying.
Jesus Christ, how horrifying. Alright, that's 12 to 5. Right?
Wow.
I like bursted it,
Yeah.
even though it was in the pocket. You want to call that 11 or 12?
It's
11.
Okay.
11. All right, 11, 5.
All right, now that it's 12 to 5, I'm gonna extend some mercy here. Maybe if it's out here, actually, might not be.
Is it out here?
It might not be out here though. That's the problem.
But I don't think it is out here.
You know what'll happen if it's out here?
Yeah. You don't want things to be out here, guys. That'd be
If
bad.
things are out here, it's more crazy than you guys could even handle. That's how out here
Exactly.
it would be.
Unless you're out there, then it's good
But
for
I've
you.
never seen another human being capable of being out there.
Oh yeah, you're right.
It doesn't look like it's out here, actually. Therefore, dragon will suffer the same fate. Where did I put the dragon? Oh, there it is. Oh wait, what if it's over here? Is it out here over here? No, never mind. Okay.
Is it out there over there?
No, it's not over there.
Nope. Okay.
Okay, still 12 to 5? 12 to 5? Yeah, 12 to 5.
12 to 5.
Yeah!
Alright, Spartacus.
Yeah! I missed! It juked me! Come back! Yeah! Ah! 12 to 6!
No.
Still twice the points, baby.
Just trying to make a comeback.
Ah! 13 to 12!
18, that's...
Yeah! I sniped it. I snipered it. I hit it like it was... Like I sniped it.
Sniper, no sniping.
Oh! Wow, that'll do it, isn't it? Right, DK? That'll do it?
That'll do it. I don't know what else to tell you.
Let's go to 20. It's only at 7 minutes.
Oh!
Yeah! Kill the dragon more. I mean, yeah, kill it. I have nothing.
I'm gonna manhandle dragons some more, don't mind me. Ha! Ah! No! That is 16 to 5? 6? 16 to 6. Ah!
Oh.
17 to
And
6.
so you can't say that number. We're not fighting Lucifer. You can't say that number.
Oh god. Ah! 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 Oh wow, it survived. I figured it would have
Oh,
bursted
it
by now.
survived.
17 to 7. Wow! Back on a comeback.
Wow.
18 to
Still
7.
not. It's still not impressive, and it's not better than expected.
Wow! 19 to 7. Really figured that was gonna help, but oh!
Crap.
You have to win by burst.
Ah! Dang it. Still 18 to 7? Or 19 to 7?
18 to 8. 19 to 8.
19-8. Got it.
Yeah.
Ah! Please burst. No!
Oh,
Started
God.
19-9!
No.
Ah! Come on! Burst! Ah! Ah! Still 19-9. I was close though.
Gotta win by burst.
What? How did it tank that? No! 19 to 9. Or 19-10.
Yeah.
Ah! Burst in the pocket.
Nope.
Well, I wasn't asking you. Ah! Ah! Bad launch. Pee pee poo poo. Ah! Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah! Finish it with a burst. 21 to 10. Still more than double the points.
Technically, if you count the other 3 points, it'll be 22 to 10.
Oh, thank you,
yeah.
DK. But yeah! Thanks everybody for watching. This has been Daimyo Samuraizor mutilates another sparking bay.
10 minutes, just end it.
What?
God.
10 minutes, just end it. Who cares?
Oh my god.
Wow.
I like the outros, dang it.
Yeah! Thank you everybody for watching another Samuraizor mutilates a sparking Beyblade. I hope you enjoyed me ruining my collection's value. If you like this video, like and subscribe, all that crap. But also be sure to subscribe to DK, sub to Instaburst, sub to the Model-Bladers YouTube channel, and join the Discord if you want to make Beyblades that are, you know, still not as good as this one, but pretty good, you know. If you
Wow.
if you feel like getting clapped by me, Insta and DK in the ranked chat.
If you want to lose to,
I already said it. I took that from you. I took it from you, DK.
No.
Yeah. This will be fun. This will be delicious. I'm so excited. All right. Yeah. Also, everyone's complaining about Daimyo not having any colors. Well, it does now. And yeah.
Yeah, it looks amazing.